All right. I gotta make sure my mic is actually on this time because I just recorded a whole episode from my other Let's Play and ain't got no audio. So I gotta go in and put in audio. Yeah, so fingers crossed that the audio is on. It says my mic is on and I checked to make sure my mic and all the stuff was up. So, who knows? I need to start back recording like audio on a separate thing so I can have it in two different separate places. So if you hear anything, it is currently spring break. So my children are not in the bed. I tell you what, they are in the bed, but they are not asleep. Okay, so if you hear me little people talking, it's just my kids. So we are for this Let's Play, I did play and I don't even know I'm saving it because I just opened the save just out of habit. I did play this off camera for some time and I still didn't get anywhere, like as far as the aspiration that I'm supposed to be doing. Yeah, so I gotta receive 3 gifts. So I gotta receive 1 more gift and I gotta win a competition, and today competitions are on Saturday. Today is just Tuesday. So let's see if we can get these other gifts. And what else do I need? I need to update my base mental. That's probably what's making my game act up. Also, I just gotta finish this one and then I'll be done. Okay, I thought it was like 1 more after this. Okay, so I guess I'll work on having a successful forum. What I am gonna do is sell all of this stuff that's in my inventory. I mean, on my store thing, because I'm not making any money from this stuff. It's been here since I opened the store, and I be seeing other people like make money off like the stuff that they make, and I don't know what's going on with my stuff. And I think I feel like I'm cheating. I should just be deleting this stuff, and it's still gonna give me money. I tried. Okay. I didn't mean to get rid of that table, but we can do it like this because I feel like we need some room anyway. 5 days. Okay, I just got that milk. I do want to rotate this. Yeah, okay. And let's just start from, I don't know, from what I have. Yeast. I need yeast to do something. I feel like I should be, yeah, let's sell that man heart. Can I sell that man heart? I don't want to eat his heart. Can I sell it? I could try to sell it. That's weird, but whatever. Can I put eggs in here? Oh, I can sell eggs. Okay. Can I put any more in here? Oh, okay. Guess not. Yeah, cause I trying to been hosting a class, and I wanted to there was something else I was supposed to be doing. I don't know what it was. It had something to do with the store, but I don't know what it was. Yeah. Alright, so let's see if I could. No, this need to be cleaned out first. It is clean. And it is back snowing. I feel like I've been in winter for this whole like Let's Play. Weird. I hug the chicken. Oh, okay. And this thing doesn't help. Fuel. I don't have any fuel. Can I not get any? Generate. Okay. Let's nurture them because I need some fuel for my generator. I don't know what's like, I don't know what's going on. I just feel like I'm stuck. And it's nighttime and everybody is asleep. So, thank you for completing your homework. Why are you going in my bathroom? Oh, I thought you was going in my bathroom. Dana's spirit is fading away. Yeah, that's her husband that passed. I don't know what else I'm supposed to be doing besides having a successful form. What do you call a successful form? Having a successful form? Because that's all I have left is max out my gardening skill, which I'm close to completing my aspiration. I don't think I have a successful form gardening. I'm almost done. A greenhouse. I was gonna build a greenhouse. Maybe that'll help my gardening skills. So let's take this rabbit and move him over here. Why can't I put him over here? It is not outside the boundary lot. What the heck is going on? We got move objects. Okay. I don't know why it says it's not on. It's on the outside. All right. So I don't know how to do this, and I just wanna. I think there's some already built. But I feel like they're really big. That's little. I want a big one. Green. You what you got for green? Okay. Oh, I seen this video of like this massive house that was also a like a really big greenhouse. And if I could find the video, I'm gonna put it like link her. It was her name started with the M, and it was like a really big house. But let's see if I could. Aren't there like glass walls? Can I make like this entire section a greenhouse? Let me move all this stuff in the middle. Move my chicken coop, move you in the middle, move you in the middle. Okay, I don't know where he came from, but okay. Move you up some. Okay, and then do this thing. I feel like I can do this. No. Oh, at least they moved to the inventory. It's not public, it's residential. Pull you out a different height. What do you mean? Is this on a... Why is it so high? Why is it up so high? Okay. Wonder why that was like that. It's weird. Okay. Sure. Wall patterns. Aren't there... I can't remember what it's called. Okay, I don't like building. I feel like there's a better way to do this. And I feel like this should come out. Here. I don't know if these are gonna be able to go in there. And I don't even know how that got all the way out there and I can't move it. Let's try this again. Come all the way up. Okay. And you're here. And you're slightly outside of the building. Okay. And let's delete the floor. Remove floor. Oops. What was I doing? Oh, putting these windows. So I don't really. Let's pull you in some. Yes. Okay, we can keep the windows there. I need windows all the way around though. And I don't think I have the money for that. Here, 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 here. $20 a window, man. You get up there, don't it? I'm just dedicating money away. We won't put windows on this side yet. Okay, let's see if I can put everything back in. I was trying to remember what I was doing. Alright. And then I have you are outside. Come in just a little bit. Okay, and then we have this. I feel like we could put you here. And then Barbara. What you mean must be placed on specific objects? Barbara, go. I don't know how to get her out. I'm gonna have to buy another cow. Let's sell you. Okay, because I don't know. Must be outside. It is outside. Okay, put you out here then. Oh, because you was in the middle of the thing. Okay, we can sell you too. Let's put you out. We're going to put the chickens over here. This did kind of clear up a lot of space though, to be honest. I feel like it cleared up a lot of space. And I want to put an archway right. Because I want to put my gate. Can I put my gate here? Oh, we can put the gate here, and then I want to put an archway into the place. Because I mean, it technically is outside, so we can do an archway. It's not that. If I put you there, what defeats the purpose? So let's move the chicken coop over here. And then for the roof, let's copy. Do I not have enough money for that? It's sufficient funds. Okay. This is residential also. Okay, we're gonna leave it right there for now, and when I get some more money, I'm gonna figure out how to make it better. Okay, This is our little greenhouse. Protect us from the elements. Yeah. Alright. So is Barbara in there? It says occupied by them. Oh, okay. Sure. Alright, girl, let's go get some sleep. Let's see if you're still able to get in your house. Yep, you still are. Okay, all of that still works. Oh, my gnome. What does he do? Don't fear the rain, no reaper. Okay. Just don't hurt anybody. Who spoke? Lori. Okay. I just feel like I don't be getting anywhere with but I don't be getting anything done. Y'all have the night light. Why are you still having nightmares? Turn it on. Of course. But every other light works. What? How can you have monsters under bed? Turn on. But I'm confused because all the other lights are working. What? Nobody got time for y'all. I need to get my sleep. And now I need to take a shower. Ain't nobody up under there. Go back to bed. You go back to bed. The monsters are gone. What's broke back here? Repair that. And I need to get her to start making wine. Great wine it is then. Because I don't know if she has any in her wine thing here. No, I don't have any. So I need to make some to sell. I forgot I had bees. They're irritated. Let's leave them alone. What does that say? Perfect Fergus. Wow. Girl, don't get electrocuted. We can't afford to get you for that mess to happen. Boy, if she get electrocuted, that's gonna be funny to me. Talk about fractions. So good for you. I don't even like fractions. Don't talk about it with me. Girl, hurry up. It's gonna take you forever. Scavenge for parts. I don't know what you're gonna get. Why you can't craft wine? Plumbing part. Why not? Oh, who are you talking to? Cause you ain't talking to me. What do you mean she can't? Is it something in the way? Why can't she craft wine? Okay, try it now. Craft wine. Wait, wine. Okay. Maybe we could put it in the house. I mean the greenhouse. Where though? That is the issue. Over here in the corner? I can't see in the dark. Okay, we can't put it right there with the birds. The birds over here. Okay. And then let's turn you this way. Oh, put you in some. Right? Oh, I feel like you're off the ground. It just looks like it's not on the ground. Okay. Where you came from, let's put you by the door. Alright. Let's see if you can craft it down. Great wine. Are you gonna do it? Maybe there are gnomes everywhere. Okay, forget it. You hungry? And you need to feed your children, because I don't know when the last time you cooked. Cook off the grid. What are you gonna make? Ew. Mushroom soup. I just feel I'm not giving my children their due, because I'm telling you, that girl that I seen, she had like everything. I don't feel like I'm growing. She had like apple trees, orange trees, and I just feel like I'm not doing what I could be doing. Spice plant, grapes and carrots. Grapes. That's all I got. Carrot. That's all I got is I need to plant some fruits. What is this? Okay. Purchase seeds. I don't want them kind of seeds. I want fruits. Starter fruits. Didn't I have this? Inventory. Okay. So open it. I do have tomato, apple, like a fresher. Looks like Laurent just befriended. Okay, cool. Let's plant an apple tree. It's too cold to plant. Thermostat. Can I put a thermostat in here? Because don't this supposed to help my house? Oh my goodness. I need to do something about the power. What can I do to help my power? Because this thing right here is not helping. These are not helping. I don't know what to do. I can't live off grid. I'm gonna have to come off grid. It's too much snow falling. I don't know why this is sparkling like that, but it's sparkling. You can't clean the shed? Why not? Why you can't clean the shed? Where you going? You gotta throw everything away? I can sell those since I can't use that no more. Girl, I know you're not going to school in them clothes. Lord Jesus. There is a roof here. Why is... I need to put a floor back down. I don't know how it's snowing and there's a roof. How do I put the floor back? I gotta rebuild the wall. Lord Jesus. I need to put that better build my thing back in here. Where it shows me. It shows me how to, no, it shows you to build stuff without, what the thing look like without the weather interfering. Texas Mexi stuff. Or is it Twisted Mexi? One of them we want supporting because of the build floor. Thank you. That's what I wanted. Because you know this new marketplace thing. Okay, no, I don't want to remove the floor. But is the floor there? Floor and ceiling patterns. Is there something that's mimicked outdoor. Okay. Insufficient funds. Thank you so much. What if I just put grass over here? And this would be my garden area. I have another gardening section somewhere. I know I got more than those two. Am I supposed to have a successful business? Let's go ahead and sell this while we're at it. Sell. Move. Sell. And then we can sell the roof too. Yeah. You can keep that. Move you back over. No, not you. Move you back over. I don't think it was like that, but okay. Sure. Cancel. Y'all not even helping me. You're not even on. Because you're not helping. You're not even on the roof. Yeah. You won't even on the roof. That's probably why everything is failing, because you weren't helping to begin with. Alright, can you plant these now? What a shutoff day. How do I... Okay. Plants. Where did apple go? Okay, go back in here. Can I now plant this apple? Okay, can I move this? Okay. Whew, okay. This is stressful, and I'm not even doing anything. Jesus. Where is the... Where is it? Cell. You're supposed to be here. Thought I put you down. What was I saying? Oh, there's one. Let's put you down. Alright, let's try to plant the apple. No, no, no. It's test date. No, baby, you're going to take that test. What did it say? Yep. Okay. That's right. Looks like your place doesn't need my services. Of course, because I cleaned up. Plants. I need to do something with this. Quality meager. Can I harvest? Uncomfortable. What's wrong with you? Oh my goodness. Won't you just end the bed? We ain't gonna get nothing done, girl. Not take a nap on the couch. I need you to... Oh my goodness. I need you to... So you just gonna sit. And what you get up for? Plant plant this apple. Plants. We need to get a good farm going. You've been doing this too long not to be able to, oh, there's one. Can I move it? I don't know what this is. Just go here somewhere. Plant that and then harvest. I don't know what it do with harvest it. Okay. What? Try putting it on more open space before planting it. What do you mean? I never had that had to happen. What's you gonna harvest now? What's outside? I am thoroughly confused. This tree. What kind of tree is that? Apple tree. Okay. How do you fix this quality? Do I need to read more? I didn't even know we had power because the lamp doesn't work in my children's room. Okay, so read, read. We need to read gardening boots because apparently, and there's no gardening boots. Okay. Are you gonna try to plant it again? Are we gonna get it planted, please? Okay. Okay. Just eat the apple. What? Okay, I got another question. Why can't I um only get tomatoes and apples? I want more fruit, like oranges. Do we not get oranges? Are you gonna work? Oh, the tomato worked. Okay, the tomato worked. I do need that lamp that's in my build mode to go in the middle so I can see. I thought I put the chicken back out. I guess not. Here you go. Here you go. And you know what? The chickens are stuck. Okay, strawberry bush. Yeah, copper squat there. They are stuck because um they can't get. So I need to move you and give them some room and give them some. I can't sell them. Um, what was I about to say? I need to give them some grass. Grass. That's what I was doing. Giving them grass. No, I could do the whole room. That's why I didn't have no money. Okay, that's good. A honor roll student. I swear that is in the air. Why is it in the air? It is still in the air. That's probably why I couldn't do it. Okay. There you go, girl. Plant the tomato. Fertilize them all. Okay, I don't have any fertilizer. Okay. What are you about to pass out from sleepiness? Okay, go get into bed then, girl. I think I'm gonna call it quits for this episode. I don't know why my chickens are still sleeping at 3:30 in the afternoon, but hey. I don't have any animals in here. Okay. I guess when I sold everything. Alright. I'm gonna get 2 hens and 2 roosters. I don't know what happened. But alright, thank you for watching. Hopefully there is audio on here. Hopefully we're done by the next episode because I need to be done. I am getting agitated and stressed out. I'm gonna again try to play off camera for a little bit and then start back recording and hopefully have some stuff for y'all. I just feel like when I be playing off camera, I be doing y'all wrong and dirty because like stuff be happening, but I never get it. Okay. So holla at your girl. See y'all next episode.